This is what's this? Hi.
The power to understand what these guys talk about is just amazing.
The boat?
Saying Chase's least favorite words. You haven't even started. Do you want to go to the vet? Do you want to go cut your nails? I can't help it. Okay. Alice.
Under this much pressure, you will have no other way, ma'am.
Yeah. There.
When he realizes he got tricked into swallowing a pill instead of a treat.
Oh, yeah. Whoa. Oh, no. You don't need more food.
Yes, with a body like this amount of food is definitely too little.
Molly, this is really weird. Really weird. My eye.
Why, bro? We were having a moment.
Huh?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Stuck? The cat called its owner for help.
Jackson, where are you? Where is my wallet? What did you do with it? Where is it? You don't know? Wait. No. Did you just say you don't know?
Hi, Mum. No, I haven't eaten yet. Yeah, I haven't had any dinner. Yeah, I'm super hungry. I would love a treat, actually. Do you want a treat? Shh, I'm talking to Grandma.
Huh? What happened? Huh? Help me! Ah, por andar de pendejo. ¿Quién lo manda? Ándale, pendejo. It was your fault. Don't get mad at the fucking thing.
Oh, no.
You can't persuade anyone with that belly, boy. Serious.
Peanut. What's out there? What is it? Yeah?
Good morning, Zoo. I love you. You love me too? Yeah? Oh, I don't know about that. It's not really for you. Yeah, we're having coffee with milk. I know you love it. I know you smell it, but it's okay. Maybe you can have a treat later, okay? Okay. Bye.
Perhaps this cat is feeling very lonely.
You know, I've been laying here with the kitten, and I look up to see Dolly looking down at us like an angry dictator.
Wow.
Like a mother and her little child,
You're so needy.
the mother always understands what her
Are you a
child
good boy?
says, and vice versa.
Are you the bestest boy?
Listen, you've been out, then you've come in, shit in your clean litter tray, and now you're wanting back out? What do you mean you know?
Oh. Who's crying? You crying? Come here. Oh, yeah, that's good.
Good morning, Barty. What are you cleaning your fur, baby? Getting ready for the day. Can you say bonjour?
Maybe the cat is thinking, did I just hear French? How does she know my secret?
Shut up. You talk too much. Yeah, you do.
Told to shut up, but argued back no peasant, and then I'm just a baby.
Sylvia, my name is Emily.
You what?
Get up here. Let's go. It's bedtime. It's bedtime. It is bedtime. It is bedtime. You're really sassy.
Are you good?
These cats must have been members of a band in their past lives.
Of course, the cat doesn't let any flaws slide, even little ones.
Sir, yes, quick question for you. Why are you so cute?
Can I please use the bathroom? Is that okay? I'll be out in a second, okay? Thank you.
Still, no one has the idea of what they're talking about. Maybe some birdies.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Why, bro? We were having a moment.
Huh?
I bet he's giving you the stink eye for feeding him late.
일단 고한 되시오. 고한 되시오. 고한 되시오.
Shiloh. Hi. Yeah. I'll be right back, okay? Yeah. Call me if you need anything. Okay. Love you. I love you too.
Stephen Parker.
Look!
Was chocolate? You don't like? No? Hi. Hey, Mama's baby girl. You are? Are you a pretty girl? Meow if you're pretty. Oh!
Any adorable or interesting stories about your cats? Feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next one.
Let's go.
Goodbye.
Yeah.
Hey, do you want to play? Oh, can you hit the button?
2.6 millimeters up.
Can you hit the button? Can you hit button?
Nearly 1/3 of the
Button.
My cousin meeting Kermit for the first time.
Hi, Lily. What's going on? Oh, okay. Do you want to go watch the rain?
Sorry.
Don't let your guard down. It's waiting until you finish then.
Morning. Hi. Oh my goodness. Hi, my love. Yeah. Oh, I know.
Having when you're tasked with house sitting, but all you really care about is the food.
Really popping with your food? Jesus. Okay. Don't hurt yourself.
This cat wants its owner to go to the basement.
According to Mr. Whisker, your today's overdue task is having quality time with him.
I need to move. I do. My body's wrong. Something's wrong. Shoulder. Rib.
Where's my mommy? Where's my mommy? She's mommy. Where's your mom? Where's your mom?
Go.
What's wrong? Okay. What's that mean? I don't speak Spanish. I speak French, sir.
Ayang mau ke siapa? Mau ke mama? Mamanya di mana? Mamanya di mana?
Mommy, he's a murderer. Ayun.
Say hi to everybody. Hello.
Wow.
Oh my goodness, a picture-perfect hello! The owner must have been so surprised.
According to Mr. Whisker, your today's overdue task is having quality time with him.
Kalau zaman dulu ditangkap terus diapain, Ti? Dimakan. Iya, ditangkap ntar titinya ya. Dikira siluman titi ya. Terus siluman makan.
dealer. Really?
My baby.
You're what?
I'm mommy baby.
What's that smell? It must be around here. Something stinky.
Блин, слышишь, как кричит? На уши, на ушки одела. Одела ушки так голову. Обруч. Он прям вообще Боня.
You doing good? Okay. Why did you hide when everybody came over? Were you scared?
This
Oh,
conversation is
no,
so
you were
adorable,
scared.
isn't
I'm
it?
sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Say hi. You all up on me. Stab me. Ah! Ah!
Huh?
You're adopted. It's true. I adopted you. I'm sorry that the truth has to be revealed this way.
미미해. 미미해. 아유, 미미해.
Good morning. Yeah. I was hoping that they could see your before and after meow. Yeah. Yeah.
Bro might be overreact, but imagine a giant picking you up.
Dada, I have to shower. Can you please get out? Yes, thank you. Please. Show your way out. There you go. No, I have to shower. Yeah? Thank you. Okay.
Pretty sure he's the self-appointed security for all the cats on this block.
How did you get up there? What happened?
So, Emma Lou, we need to talk about your eating habits. We need to put you on a diet.
¿Sabes qué mujeres usan esto? Las putas.
Hate wasting time in bed. Get a cat like this, folks.
What?
You like my new haircut? What?
The toughest critic in the universe is here,
What's wrong, honey?
flatly disapproving of the human's new haircut.
Kelly!
Oh my goodness. Responding with what? When called is next level. The owners must have been stunned for a few seconds.
Typical boyfriend when his girl is asleep. Never underestimate what a cat will do when food is involved.
Do you hear me? You ain't gonna be doing it on the new couch. Don't bite me, girl.
Being outside, you're not going outside again. No. Because you keep running away from me and you don't come back inside.
Fine. I won't talk to you anymore. I'm going somewhere else.
What you doing with your tongue?
So cute
Can I
and
get a high
smart.
five?
Understands the command
Thank
and gives a
you.
high five like a pro.
Starting in my
You're not going outside. No. 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 Cats don't go outside. Not inside cats.
Is this cat even a real cat? I'm so surprised.
Hey!
Hi, Sasha. I love you. You have very pretty eyes. They're so big and blue.
Yeah. Mom.
Why is this in here?
Oh. Who's crying? You crying? Come here. Oh, yeah, that's good.
乐米，过来，快点，乐米。
Weavy, you're crying so
Needs someone to start the wheel before running. Really.
Kitty. Wow, your name is Kitty?
John is hungry.
Not only judging, bro's actually pitying now.
你别笑，
你看这个，
要做一个专业的演员吗？
Hey. Hey, Mama's baby girl. You are? Are you a pretty girl? Meow if you're pretty.
Don't let your guard down. It's waiting until you finish then.
His birds are deep.
Why is it staring at me in the face?
Because
Oh! Oh! No!
I'm so hungry I could eat pagagwa. Oh my.
What, Sunday? No, I don't want to play with you right now. No, because I don't want to play with you. No, I said I don't want to play with you right now.
Oh, bro, have you had an insurance yet?
Say hi. You all up on me. Stab me. Ah! Ah!
Pretty sure he's the self-appointed security for all the cats on this block.